What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great, of course, that's the most important thing. Hope you all had a great weekend. Yeah, hopefully let's start this day off right by looking at Ethereum. If you'd be interested in that, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. I do this daily. I take a look at Ethereum and Bitcoin daily at least, and now we actually have something to talk about. Ethereum is up more than 2%, volume up to 12 billion, which is amazing. That's about well, let's say, what can we say, 7.5% of the market cap in volume. That's great. Yeah. Usually what I do in these videos is most of you know, but I also cover some of the news. There's not really news around Ethereum or news around the crypto market. Apart from that, I mean, crypto market has recovered a little bit. Last week we were testing that 900 billion level in terms of total market cap, and right now obviously we're a little bit higher, and then we're actually recovering a little bit at least. So if we take a look at Ethereum, what I said yesterday is that if we would actually be able to stay on top of 1300, that we would get up to 1340, 1350. Well, you can see that we went all the way up to 1364. So we were actually very bullish yesterday, even more bullish than I expected. And now we're kind of in a weird situation because we've broken above major resistance levels, like at 1350, but we've already broken below 1350. So right now we're kind of testing this level around 1340, which is not a very small key level or anything. That's actually quite strong, as you can see. It's actually quite significant if you take a look at it over the last couple of weeks and within this consolidation. But the main question obviously is right now is can we actually get to our next price target, which in my opinion would be there's this small resistance at 1385, so I'd say that's the next resistance. But if we reach 1385, I think we'll also reach 1400. So I'd say in reality 1400 is more of my price target, and whether we can hit that or not, frankly, depends on 1340. Because after a move like this, I mean, to be honest, you first need to really confirm that we can actually hold the levels we broke. Otherwise, it's just kind of a bear trap, right? Because you drag people in thinking the price is going to go up. It's probably like will manipulation as well, and then they just let people buy here and they sell it all for a higher price, and you drop down. So what we need to do, and what in my eyes is the most important thing, is we need to stay on top of 1340. Ideally, also kind of consolidating between 1340 and 1360. All right, so not between 1350 and 1340, but between 1340 and 1360. If we can do that for the next 24 hours, so tomorrow morning I'll be back with another update. If we're still right here, yeah, then it might be risky to say, but then I am expecting a bullish breakout and for us to get up to our next price targets. All right, because then we've actually shown that we have enough bullish momentum in the price to keep these levels, and then I would also think that we could get a bullish breakout and get a little bit higher. In the end, we already erased a lot of resistance at 1360 by hitting that. But on the other hand, and that's obviously equally important to talk about, the moment 1340 breaks, so if the 4-hour candle really closes below that level, what happens then is that we'll probably drop down all the way to this 1315 level, probably also down to 1300, and then from there we'll see again. But then at least this momentum was well, not fake, but it was not sustainable. So it's, to me, as I said, most important thing is 1340 in the next 24 hours, and what's going to happen in the upcoming week largely depends on that, in my opinion. So yeah, that's my take on Ethereum this beautiful morning. I hope you all hope you all have a great Monday and rest of the week, but hope to see you all tomorrow as well. So take care and bye.